Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. Today I'm going to share with you our favorite recipe for making homemade Rice Krispie Treats. This is Grandma Alicia's special recipe, and it's got a little extra goodness that makes these the best. A little extra butter, some vanilla, extra marshmallows. We make it all in one big pan and then form it in parchment paper. So it's so easy to cut and share. No messy pans or struggling to get it out of the pan, and your Rice Krispie Treats will not be dense and dry. And they're so much better than the original Rice Krispie Treat recipe on the back of the box. Okay, let me show you how to make these. So here's the ingredients you'll need, and I'll put the recipe in the description box below so you can make homemade Rice Krispie Treats that are soft and chewy and so delicious. Over medium heat, melt 6 tablespoons of salted butter in a large, heavy bottom pot. You won't notice a salty taste when you're using salted butter in this recipe, but that tiny bit of salt brings out the sweet flavor and makes these Rice Krispies taste even better. Next, stir in roughly 6 cups of mini marshmallows. That'll be about half a bag, and I'm not being super precise with the measuring here. Continue stirring the mixture while the marshmallows melt. And if this is your first time at our channel, welcome. We're making easy, no-fail recipes you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Just hit the subscribe button to find out when we've posted a new one. Once the marshmallows have all melted, remove the pan from heat. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and stir to incorporate it. Next, turn off the heat and add about 4 cups of Rice Krispie cereal to the marshmallow mixture. Use a spatula or a wooden spoon to gently fold them into the mixture. And this next step is optional. You can add about 2 more cups of mini marshmallows and fold them into the Rice Krispies so that there are some larger bits of marshmallow in the Rice Krispie Treats. Prepare a large sheet of parchment paper and butter the bottom with a bit of butter. Then turn the Rice Krispies Treat mixture onto the parchment paper. I wish you guys could smell this. It's buttery, you can smell the vanilla and the marshmallows. Nobody can wait for these to cool down. Hey, if you like this video and this recipe, do me a favor and hit the like button down there. When you do, YouTube shows our video to more people, and then they can find out how to make amazing recipes like these Rice Krispie Treats too. Use the parchment paper to press the mixture into a rectangle shape with your hands. Press gently into shape and then down, but don't press too hard here. You're really just more shaping the Rice Krispies and getting out any more big gaps. If you press too hard, you'll end up with Rice Krispie Treats that are dense and stiff and really hard to bite into. Cover up the Rice Krispie Treats with the parchment and set this aside to cool for at least 30 minutes. I like to put this into the refrigerator to quickly chill them, or if I'm making Rice Krispie Treats that are dipped in chocolate. And if you want to see that recipe, let me know in the comments below. And here's a look at the best Rice Krispie Treats. Now you can see why I call them the best. They're soft, they're fluffy, with loads of creamy vanilla and marshmallows. Let me know what you think when you make them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll put a link up here for one of our favorite brunch desserts. Check it out.